We've talked about using Google Tasks in the sidebar to keep track of emails that you need to send, but did you know you can turn emails into tasks directly from Gmail? This is a great way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks, especially if your inbox sometimes doubles as your to-do list. So there's two ways to do this. The first method is when you have an email open. So let me go ahead and open this first one here. And you can see I can go up to the three-dot menu here at the top, and there's an option here to add to tasks. So when I click that, it brings it straight over into the sidebar. You can see it there. 4 weddings and a funeral startup style. So that is taken from the subject of the email. You can see over here, I've got the subject, 4 weddings and a funeral startup style. That is automatically going to be the name of the task that you put in here. But you can change that, edit it up, obviously yourself, in order to meet your needs. So I'm going to change it here to read the newsletter. And you can see at the bottom of this task, there is a link here that says 4 weddings and a funeral. This is a direct link to the email in my inbox. So the great thing about adding emails from Gmail as a task is that I can now archive this email. I can say, okay, it's done, forgotten about it. I'm going to deal with it later. It doesn't have to sit in my inbox. When I want to get back to see that email again, all I have to do is click the link in the task and it's going to take me straight to it. Now, it will do this so long as you archive the email. If you trash the email, you'll be able to do this for the next 30 days or so, but that's the difference between archiving and trashing. When an email is archived, you can always come back and see it again later. Okay, so the other way to get an email into your tasks is just by dragging and dropping it from the inbox into the sidebar here. So I'm going to look at my top one again here. It's a Google email to check my account privacy settings. If I just click on it, I can drag it and drop it. You can see here it says drop to create a new task. And there it is, exactly the same as before. It's taken the title of my task and made it the subject title of the email. It's got a link to the email. So again, the best thing to do here is just to archive that original email because it is linked already in Google Tasks. Now you can drag and drop one email, or you can come in here and select several emails. I've got 3 selected here just by clicking the checkbox, and I can drag 3 over here and it's going to create 3 tasks for me. This ability to do this inside of Gmail is especially useful for follow-ups, action items, and reminders about and conversations, all without leaving Gmail. And then when you do leave Gmail and you go back to Google Tasks, you see that all those emails are there in your inbox waiting for you. But what about tasks that aren't tied to email? Sometimes you need to schedule reminders or deadlines, and that's where Google Tasks and Google Calendar work hand in hand, and we'll take a look at that next. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful and want to master Google Tasks, check out my full course on Udemy. In this course, you'll learn how to organize tasks, manage lists, set due dates, and integrate Google Tasks with Gmail, Calendar, and Docs so you can stay productive and get more done. Click the link in the description to enroll today.